Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll see 3 different ways to log out of Facebook Messenger app. So without delay, let's get started. Long press on Facebook Messenger app info. Go to storage and cache. Click on clear cache. Now click on clear storage. This doesn't delete your data from Messenger. So click on OK. Go back and click on force stop. OK. Now head over to Facebook Messenger app. Here you will see that you are logged out of the app. Let it load. Now you can see that you are logged out. The app is logging in once again. So if you want to log in once again, click on it. As I have to show you the other method, so I must log in first of all. In this way you can log in once again. For the second method, you have to head to Facebook app. So click on it. Click on the hamburger option at the top. Scroll down to settings and privacy. Settings. Password and security. Under where you are logged in, click on logout option. Now you are logged out of Facebook Messenger. So head back to the app and check. Here you can see that you are logged out. For the third method, I need to once again log in. So let me log in. For the third method, you need to head to Google Chrome. In the search box, type facebook.com. Enter your credentials. Click on the hamburger option at the top. Scroll down to settings. Click on security and login under security. In front of Messenger option, you can see 3 dot options. Click on it and then click on logout. So in this way you can log out of Facebook Messenger app. This was the third method. So you can see it here. So these were the 3 different methods with the help of which you can log out of Facebook Messenger app. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.